in rem conferred under section 48 of a Patents Act 1970. So, the patent rights are like that make, use, sell, all these rights are given to the patentee, and section 104 to section 115 of a Patents Act 1970, this provide provisions regarding the patent provision. This Patent Act, when you go into the details of that patent specifications, the guidelines are given, and then here when we are talking about the rights, it is a making, using, offering for sale, selling, importing that patented product, and then the patented process or using, offering for sale or selling or importing the product directly contained by that process. So, these are the rights which are conferred by the Patent Act, and if that rights are infringed,